Hey peeps, I know this might be weird, but look, there is a crazy bird flying around. Right there.
I lost it. There it is.
Here.
I got it.
You have it.
I think it's hurt, Blake. Can you see it?
No, I've got. Where is it?
Right there?
Oh. Look, guys. See that bird? That's a bird right there. Oh, geez, I've lost it. Oh, it's still there. Let's try and get up on it. Ah. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Just kind of crazy. Whoa. No, no. Ah! Don't hurt me. He was literally at my foot.
I know. He's not trying to hurt you.
I bet not.
Okay, that's enough recording on the bird.
No, I want to stay here and record him some more.
It's not doing anything.
Yeah, look, he's moving. I'm going to stay back here and still recording. Look, he's flying.
That's enough for the recording.
I want to record him some more. I want to let them know what he's doing. Now, guys, this is not an editing trick. This is actually for real. See it? There.
Okay, stop.
What?